Hello friends, my name is Gaurav Sonare. I done my graduation in Sai College. I am from Bhandara district in Maharashtra. Friends, I am selected in Fidelis Technology Pvt Ltd. That time my currently package is 2.76 lakh per annum. Friends, I suggested you personally. Evision is a best teaching platform. My friend suggested me for this. Then I am enrolled in Evision Technology Pvt Ltd. Then a friend, I am selected in Fidelis Technology. Friends, I personally suggested you. That is the one of the best institute in India. And the teacher is also helpful. It provides 24/7 hour. Friends, the teacher faculty and the help supported team is also nice. Thank you.